Hi, my name is Zara Kadir and I'm a counsellor and psychotherapist specialising in art and play therapy with children. So I'm going to show you a few of the things I use and how they work, and hopefully that will answer some of your questions about how play therapy even works. So this is sound tray therapy, which is another kind of small world play that children really enjoy. And this tray is something that I would typically see in a divorce scenario. So the tray is very clearly divided in half, which would show the conflict that child's experiencing between the marital breakdown. There's law enforcement here, so police officers. In the middle there's knight and a lady in a high-vis rescue vest, which might allow us to start thinking about who that person is. Is that person a social worker or some kind of mediation service that the family is using? Or maybe it's the therapist that's acting as that kind of mediator for the child and the family. And then on the other side, there's a mum and a baby and a fairy. And again, we would talk about who that fairy is. Is it a fairy godmother? Is it about a wish to be rescued from the situation? And then over time, children might repeat the tray. So they might recreate it week by week. And we would see the progression of that experience. So perhaps the divide would become smaller, or objects would be used to create some kind of bridge. Maybe the need for knights and rescuers would diminish and they wouldn't be there at all. Maybe the aggressive side would start to soften. And all those things are ways that I can see as a therapist that the child is progressing through what's happening and the child can process their experience through play. If you find it useful and you'd like to know a little bit more, then you can find me on my website, www.choose-therapy.co.uk. Or, of course, you can find me on the counselling directory, Zara Kadir.